Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Tuesday, the 17th of July 2018. Starting off with the daily chart in the pound. Yesterday we looked at the resistance at the 76% area, the 133. And you can see there the market traded lower first, and then it moved higher, but then came off with a high of 132.92 there. You can see that there. So it got within the area, but failed to close above it. So you can see there the market moving lower initially, which I spoke about in yesterday's Market Alert, before closing back above the Friday high, and then the market moving high. A bit late with the signal there, which is unusual. Normally would have had a signal beforehand, but you can see again this classic shake them out type of thing. You can see the profit taking coming in here as the selling started to taper off in here. You can see the selling here is lower than the previous selling bar, and you've got some buying pressure there as well, and you're at the close and the high of Friday there. So the market turned around, moved higher, and then as soon as it got to the R1, and this is where 80% of the market will stop unless there's some good momentum behind it, we get the sell signal, and the market returned to where it started. So we got close to the 133, which is the red line there, but the market failing to hold. News today, as I said yesterday, Barmy Carney's out today, former Goldman Sachs boy, who hasn't got a clue about what he's doing, and neither of the other central bankers, but that's another video. And there's nothing else that we can really see that is going to move the markets. We've got average earnings out today as well, 2.5, forecast at 2.5 there as well. And in the Dow yesterday, fairly quiet. You can see the range for Monday's session sitting at that 76% retracement as well. The markets had a sneak through it, came back, and the same on the overnight as well. So let's look at this in a bit more detail. So very choppy in the first part of the session there, you can see, and eventually breaks down, goes down to the DP level, finds support, reverses, and comes back up. The market then hits the Friday close, comes back down towards the psychological level there of, let me just see which this one is. It's going to be 25,000, isn't it, for that one? Yep, 25,000 level there, and then was just really sideways. I mean, it's only a $50 50-point range there for the Dow. You can see there the market also hitting the 200 bar moving average as well, as the market then came back before the close. But overnight, in the electronic session, as it were, the markets moved higher there. Once we broke the 200 bar moving average, you can see there, we came back and had a look at it, but then as soon as reversed there, and we're above the DP there, buying above the 20 bar average, and the market traded up to yesterday's high, and you've got selling pressure there. You can see the volume's far greater than the buying bar before it, and that sent the market back down 50 points. And at the moment we've got a bit of a bounce here, probably about 76%. Let's just have a quick look. This is again the overnight from low to high. There you go, bang on 76%. And the market then moving lower. You can see there, once you've broken that 20 bar, market trying to come back, and crucial area here, both the DP psychological level of 25,050, yesterday's close 25,050, and the 200 bar average. So the market really needs to hold here, otherwise we'll be moving lower. So look for some major volume in this area, but again keep in mind it's the overnight session, so there's nothing to stop the market from coming back from here. And then in Bitcoin yesterday, the market moving higher and breaking out. Are we about to see this market having bottomed? I mean, we have got I'll be bold here. Is the consolidation phase over? It's been a good 7 months, 8 months. We're down at 62.76 area here. But conversely, if we go from here down to here, you'll see that we're just sneaking above the 76% area here too. Just drag that over so you can see it. We're also struggling with the 50 bar moving average there. So a bit of profit taking I wouldn't be at all surprised to see in this market. Big move yesterday for Bitcoin. And that's really about it for this morning. I mean, we are heading into the summer holes for bankers having holes with their families and so on, and Parliament closing down. So things could be a bit quiet. Said that in 2008 and look what happened. So who knows? Certainly an interesting picture developing around at the moment. We've got the Dow going up on low volume, the pound sort of sideways, and Bitcoin potentially breaking out there, unless it's a false breakout, which we'll soon discover over the next few days. Okay, that's it for this one. If there's anything to report, I will let you know. But other than that, as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.